Yo, it's Marshall checking in here. Just we got a little door here, bifold door. And what the heck? I mean, how is this thing supposed to roll in this track? I mean, you gotta be kidding me. What happened to the wheel? Or who tried to fix this thing? You know, it needs a wheel in there. So what did I do? I had this on hand. It's a little wheel, and then that sucker rolls inside the track. Just basically just bounces around in here. So that's what we want on the top of this door. So in case yours looks like this and you've completely lost your wheel too or whatever, then I guess that's where you should look at, hey, maybe I need to replace that thing. So I got the new wheel, put this in. Oh man, look, this is just wobbling all over the place. Okay, so now the next thing we do, I'm trying to hold the camera and work. So take electrical tape. That is the best little gasket type material you can find to expand that. Wrap it around here like so. You can go around more up at the top than the bottom so that it can kind of taper into the hole. Don't overdo it because it every time around adds how many hundredths of an inch, I would say. But then we can go up here and try it. Let's see here. Oh yeah, perfect. And we can just tap that little guy in there with a hammer. Okay. Get this little guy. Pull the wheel down so it doesn't bounce every time you have to tap on it. And just drive it right in there. Nice. Then we'll slide that baby right back where it's supposed to be. Sometimes you can pull your door down just a little bit so it sneaks in that track. And voila! Now it doesn't bounce and go all over the place. It actually can shut like it's supposed to. So, simple, quick little fix for you all if your little bifold door is working like crap. And then just replace that wheel. Hardware stores sell that little wheel if you're needing one, and you know that way you can just adjust it, or you can just replace that part. And if it's sitting just a little bit low, you can raise it up, usually by an adjustment screw on the bottom, like that. That way it guarantees that won't pop out of the top of there, would be the thing. If this wheel wants to pop outside this track, you just need to do the slight adjustment on this little nut down here. Alright guys, I'd like to try, I don't know, give me a thumbs up. I don't know if that does anything for me. I want to post just these simple videos for you guys. A handy man, handy women. Just, if you're sitting at home doing nothing, hey, do a little repair and see what you come up with. But make everything in your house work better again. Thanks for checking me out. This is where I was working to just get outside and play. Thanks for checking it out.